Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, let us solve question number 40, NEET Physics paper 2014. Students, let us solve the next question number 4040. If the kinetic energy of the particle is increased to 16 times its previous value. Suppose the kinetic energy, I'll write this as the only E to represent kinetic energy as E. The kinetic energy of the particle is increased to 16 times its previous value. Suppose this is the initial value. Now this is the initial kinetic energy and final kinetic energy Kf final is 16 times E. The percentage change in the de Broglie wavelength of the particle is the percentage change in the de Broglie wavelength. This is to be found. Now what is de Broglie wavelength? The de Broglie wavelength says lambda is h by p. This is de Broglie's wavelength. H is Planck's constant and p is the momentum of the particle. But this is not given, kinetic energy is given. So we have to relate this kinetic energy and momentum. We replace this by kinetic energy. We know that kinetic energy equals to p square by 2m. So the p can be written as 2 kinetic energy into m under root. So if I do that, this lambda becomes h divided by p, which is 2 kinetic energy into m under root. If I see this, then I have the relation lambda is inversely proportional to square root of kinetic energy. This is the relation. This relation I have to use. First case lambda 1. That means lambda 1 over lambda 2 I can write as 1 over e root of this. Initially it was e. Second time it was root of 16e. So this root e will cancel and becomes 4. So lambda 1 over lambda 2 is 4. Lambda 1 is the initial wavelength and lambda 2 is the final wavelength. What is the percentage change? You can see that the percentage change is that final lambda minus initial lambda divided by initial lambda into 100. This way to find. Final lambda is lambda 2, that is lambda 2 minus lambda 1 divided by lambda 1 into 100. Lambda 2, we got lambda 1 over lambda 2 equals to 4. So that implies lambda 2 is lambda 1 divided by 4. So the change in wavelength, percentage change in wavelength, de Broglie wavelength, is lambda 2 minus lambda 1 divided by lambda 1 into 100. Lambda 2 is lambda 1 by 4 minus lambda 1 divided by lambda 1. Okay, lambda 1 I kept as it is and lambda 2 is replaced in terms of lambda 1 so that lambda 1 cancel and we will get the answer. So now lambda will cancel and what we are left with is we are left with 1 by 4 minus 1 divided by 1 into 100. This is 1 minus 4 by 4 into 100. This becomes minus 3 by 4 into 100, which is equal to minus 75. Minus 75%. So that means the change is decreases and that decreases by 75%. So the percentage change in the de Broglie wavelength will be 75. So it is 75% decrease. Because lambda is inversely proportional to square root of kinetic energy. So as the lambda increases, this has to decrease, and the answer comes out to be minus 75%. That means it is 75 is the correct answer to this question. Okay, thank you.